last class we have learnt about forward command and back command. Today we are going to learn about right command. The right command turns the head of the turtle to the right side, that is in the clockwise direction. Here the turtle rotates but stay at the same position. The short form is RT. Now here children, when we give RT command, turtle turns toward the right side, that is clockwise direction. Here turtle rotates but stay at the same position. The short form is RT. RT means right side. Now here we are going to learn how to give the command. Now here syntax. Syntax means the condition to be followed while writing a program. When we are writing a program, when we want to give the space, we have to use RT command. Sorry, when we want the turtle to rotate toward the clockwise direction, we must use RT command. Then give space, then degrees of angles, then press enter key. For example, if you want to move the turtle 50 degrees, type RT space 50, then press enter. Now we will learn how to give the commands steps in the input box. First one, type RT or RIGHT, then give space. After giving space, you must give the commands. Type the number of degrees to run. How many degrees you want to move the turtle toward the right side, that many steps you have to give there. Then fourth one, press enter key to execute the command. To run a program, you must press enter key or execute button on the control box. In the control box, the number of degrees to turn is given by numbers. Now the term turning means to move the turtle head in a circular path. A circular path consists of total 360 degrees. A circular path consists of 360 degrees. Here children, you can see a turtle over here, home. Then LT 30. LT 30 means left 30. RT 45. 30 steps. RT 45. Turtle will move the direction towards the right side by 45 degrees. Now I'll show you how to give command in the input box. We'll open logo application. Now here in the input box, put the mouse pointer and press left button. Then the command window will be highlighted. Now we will type the command. RT, you can give RIGHT or RIGHT, right space 40 steps, enter. Now you can see turtle has been turned toward the clockwise direction by 40 steps. Now FD space 50, enter. Now you can see children, turtle has been moved toward the clockwise direction by 40 steps. Now we will go for left command. Left command turns the head of the turtle to the left side, that is in the anti-clockwise direction. Here the turtle rotates but stay at the same position. The short form of LT command is, left command is LT. Now by using LT command, turtle will move toward the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. The turtle rotates but stay at the same position. Turtle will rotate but it will stay in the same position. Now to use this command, first we must give LT space, then degrees of angles, then press enter key. For example, if you want to move towards the left 50 degrees, first type LT, then space 50, then press enter key, so that you can see turtle will turn toward the anti-clockwise direction by 50 degrees or 50 steps. Now first press left or LT, then give space after typing LT command. Now type number of degrees to turn to. Now if you want to give 50 steps, you can give 50 steps, or 60 steps, or you can type there as 60. Then press enter key to execute the command. The number of degrees to turn is given by number. The term turning means to move the turtle head in circular path. A circular path consists of total 360 degrees. A circular path consists of 360 degrees. Now I will show you how to use left command. To use left command in the same way again, you must go to input box and press left mouse button and type left space 90, enter. Now you can see turtle has been turned toward the anti-clockwise direction. Instead of typing left, you can give the command as LT space 80 steps, enter. You can give the command as left or LT. The short form of left command is LT. After typing the command, you can press execute button or enter key to execute the program. Now we are going to learn about home command. This command will bring the turtle to the starting position, that means the center of the screen, with the head pointing upwards. You bring turtle to the center from any of the screen using home command. Now how to use this command? Home command means after giving the command, if you want to get the turtle to the center of the screen, you can use home command. Home command will bring the turtle to the center of the screen. Now here there is a small program. Children will try out this program. Now here in the input box, put the mouse pointer and type FD space 60. First we need to clear the screen. CS, type CS. CS means to clear the screen. CS command is used to clear the screen. Now FD space, FD means to go forward, 60, enter. Then RT space 90, enter. FD space 100, enter. RT space 90, enter. FD space 60, enter. RT space 90, enter. FD space 100. Now here you can see turtle moving right, left, up, down. Now I want, after creating a program, you can see turtle has turned towards many directions. Now I want turtle to be center of the screen. Now I can give the command as HOME, home. When I give home command, turtle will come to the center of the screen. Children, you can see the turtle to be in the center of the screen. This will stop the lesson. In the next class we will continue.